In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a comic effect in Clipchamp to give your videos that bold, stylized graphic novel look. Whether you're creating social media content, YouTube videos, gaming clips, or fun edits, the comic effect can instantly make your footage more eye-catching and unique. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can apply it in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one where you already have footage uploaded. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video is added to the timeline. If it's not there yet, simply drag and drop your video from the Media tab onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the timeline and select the specific video clip where you want to apply the comic effect. It's very important that the clip is highlighted because effects in Clipchamp only apply to the selected media. When you click on the clip, you'll notice that it becomes outlined or highlighted, confirming that it's active and ready for editing. Now that your clip is selected, move to the right-hand side panel and click on the Effects option. This is where Clipchamp stores all the built-in visual effects that you can apply to your footage. Once you click on Effects, you'll see a list of different styles and filters that can change the look and feel of your video. Scroll through the effects list until you find the option labeled Comic. Go ahead and click on Comic to apply it to your selected clip. As soon as you click it, you'll notice your video preview updating automatically with a comic-style appearance. This effect typically adds bold outlines and a halftone dot pattern, giving your footage that classic comic book vibe. After applying the comic effect, you can fine-tune the look by adjusting the halftone dot opacity. This setting controls how strong or subtle the dot pattern appears on your video. If you increase the opacity, the dots become more visible and dramatic. If you decrease it, the effect becomes softer and more subtle. Play around with this slider while watching the preview window so you can see the changes in real time and choose the style that best fits your project. Take a few moments to preview the video by pressing the play button in the preview window. This allows you to see how the comic effect looks in motion. Sometimes effects can look different when the video is playing compared to when it's paused, so always review the full clip before finalizing your edits. If you're happy with the result, you're all set. The comic effect is now successfully applied to your video. You can repeat the same process for other clips in your timeline if you want the effect applied consistently across your entire project. Just select each clip, go to Effects, and choose Comic again. Once everything looks good, you can export your video by clicking the Export button in the top right corner, choosing your preferred resolution, and letting Clipchamp process your final file. And that's how you add a comic effect in Clipchamp quickly and easily. It's a simple feature, but it can completely transform the style of your video and make your content stand out. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp editing guides, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.